Alright, this video, the third video in my series on the Hensley Hitches, is tips and tricks on how to mate your car up to this hitch and live with it nicely and easily. I saw so many posts about how difficult it is and what a change it is to use. I saw videos which kind of said the same thing, but then I also saw videos with tips and tricks which were helpful, and I think people just kind of look at it the wrong way. It is really just a completely different style of hitch, a completely different style of hooking up, but I honestly found it much easier to do solo. Let's talk about one of my first tips. Almost every time I use it, I put a new coating of white lithium grease on that. Why, do you ask? Because this way, this shows up perfectly in my rear view camera. So when I'm backing up to this unit, unlike a ball where you can't really see it because it's too close and too low, this I can see like as if I was looking directly out of the back of the truck. It is so easy to back up the vehicle and match this up perfectly. Let's talk about matching it up. Obviously, you have to have the height right. This is a square box, which you need it to go anywhere into the center of this. There's plenty of gap, plenty of room, plenty of give. You don't have to make yourself crazy. And so you want the height to be the right way. You don't want this to be jacked at an angle like this, jacked at an angle like that, jacked at an angle like this, or down. So what do you do if you're a little off? What happens if you're over here? I'll tell you what happens when you're over there. You just get out of your vehicle and you go like this. And look at that. You're in the right place. It is so forgiving for those kind of things. The other adjustment that you can make is, let's say this angle is off a little bit. You take your tool. I'm gonna adjust here. Nikki's gonna shoot the mount so you can see how it moves. So watch, you can make, look at that. Oh. If I needed to move the other way, I could just go to the other one. Move it the other way. Cool. It is super easy, super duper easy. 10 seconds of work before you try to jam it in there, and you could adjust the alignment perfectly. Don't crank it up, don't make it full height, don't do any of that kind of stuff. Move it up and down a little bit with the jack. Adjust those a little bit. Move this side to side a little bit if you need to, and it will be very easy for you to line this, slide it in there, you're done and out of there. I'm telling you, do it 3 times with a little bit of this in mind, and you will be so much faster than the old ball style hookup that you were doing. I hope this has been helpful. I'll include a link up here in this hand, which will have the full install. If you want to know how to install this, just click there. It'll take you to the video to do the full install. It takes like 20 minutes to watch that video. I think I did a great job. You'll give it a thumbs up. But in any case, we'll see you on the road.